I don't think I can do it. I need more clothes. 22 days, 20 kilos. Uh-oh. Hi, Michelle here from Travelling Over 60. Come join me on this adventure. Okay, we're nearly there. Less than 20 days to go now. Now, I've been thinking about what are all the last things I have to do. Packing's going to be my hazard. Anyway, I went back. I read through all the documentation they've sent us, and I came across a section that says only 20 kilos. So it's the land portion. Remembering I'm doing sea and land. So the coach part, they're saying that I can only take 20 kilos on the coach. Now I can take 32 kilos on the plane. I can take what I like, well, up to 90 kilos, I think it is, on a ship. But it's all one tour, so I have to pack only 20 kilos. Now this is going to be a real chore for me to try and do this. So I'm going to show you what I've pulled out. Now I may add to this, but for the moment, this is what I've done. And keep in mind, 22 days in Canada and Alaska. It's all those big, bulky clothes. It's layers, so it's lots of clothes. Well, in my mind, it's lots of clothes. So I thought about going and checking out the weather over in Canada and Alaska now. Now, we still have 2 weeks to go, but I thought I'll check out what's the temperature. Now, I'm not sure how much warmer it's going to get in 2 weeks, but I'm hoping a little bit warmer. As you can see, it's freezing over there. Remember, I'm from Australia. Let's go have a look what I've packed. Well, here it is. This is my hazard for this adventure. They've told me 20 kilos is all I can take. Now, I know people can do it. I know that they travel just in a carry-on. I just don't think I can do it. This is all the clothes I've pulled out, and let me go through it with you. So this is day wear. I figure in my head 22 days, 3 weeks. If I take 7 outfits, I wear them 3 times. Now we're in a cooler climate, so I won't be hot and sweaty, I hope. Is this even acceptable? Okay, let's have a closer look. So I'm packing 7 pairs of pants, mostly jeans, a couple of pair of those fleecy tights that I bought that were new. I have 7 jumpers. Now, underneath those jumpers, they tell me you need to layer. So I have 3 long sleeve t-shirts and 4 short sleeve t-shirts. Hopefully, this is the right sort of layering. Now, all of those clothes fit into these 2 packing cubes. Next, let's have a look at the evening wear. Now, I'm going to be eating in some fancy restaurants. Plus, when we're on the cruise, when I go to the dining room, I need to have decent clothes. So, I've packed some clothes that I can mix and match. A skirt, pair of plain black pants, some nice tops, and a couple of long-sleeved winter dresses. And I managed to pack all of that just into this one packing cube. Next, let's have a look at the extra bits and pieces I'm taking. So I'm going to take some swimwear in case I want to go in that spa. Probably not, but I'll take it anyway. Some thermals. Not sure if I'll need thermals or not, but I'm just taking 1 set of thermals. When we get to our Alaska cruise part, we are travelling on Holland America, and they have an orange theme night, so an orange shirt. I have a blue dress to wear on their dressing night, which is equal to a formal night. I have some sleepwear and some comfy casual clothes for the cabin on the cruise and just for when I'm back in my room. Now I managed to fit all of that into just 2 packing cubes. Now these are the last bits and pieces. I have a great big thick black jacket there for on the coldest of days. I have a light spray jacket, the blue one, in case I just need a lighter jacket with my other layering. Now I have socks and undies, of course. I'll have a beanie for the cold days. I have gloves for my hands. I have a thick grey scarf that I will wear during the day on those cold days. I'm also taking just a light scarf in case I need that of an evening to wrap around my shoulders. Oh wait, that made me sound like my grandmother. These last bits and pieces will be packed a little differently. The black jacket will come with me on the plane because it's heavy. The things in this yellow square, the light jacket, the beanie, the scarves, the gloves, they will all just pack flat on top of all the cubes, and of course socks and undies went in that one packing cube. Well, as you can see, there's not much there. I need to keep in mind as well, I'll be wearing an outfit on the plane, so there's an extra outfit. Anything that's too heavy and bulky, I'm going to either wear on the plane or take in my carry-on. So that gives me a little bit extra, but I haven't even looked at packing shoes yet. I'll need a pair of walking shoes, I think joggers, and maybe just one pair of shoes on the ship. I don't think I'm going to be able to fit anything else. Oh boy. So for now, that's what I've pulled out to take with me. I don't know if I'm going to stick with that or not. I think in the next 2 weeks, I might be adding just a few things here and there. I haven't even weighed it yet. I don't know what it weighs. So hopefully under 20 kilos. Now, if you want to know if I'm under 20 kilos, you're going to have to wait to the next video. Thanks for following along with me. I really appreciate your support. We're nearly at 200 subscribers. I never thought I'd even get 100. So don't forget, if you want to share this with someone, feel free, share it. There's a button underneath the videos. Hit that share button. Let your friends come along the adventure as well. Thanks for your support. Now, if you're following along on all my videos, you know how this last bit goes. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe to my channel. And if you ring that little bell, you'll be notified when I put each of my videos up. So come along on this adventure with us. We're going to have lots of fun.